Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HMD Skyline to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of HMD. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on HMD, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to send. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Deep pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then just point it at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!